Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm over the moon excited to share with you 6 DIY Dollar Tree Christmas decor crafts. So this is episode 3 in my huge I Love Christmas series, and I still have a ton of fall decorating to do. I'm going to be decorating my home for Halloween as well as doing Thanksgiving centerpieces. If you guys need fall decor inspiration, I have 31 episodes in my I Love Fall series. I'm going to link that huge playlist down below, but it is time to do some crazy Christmas crafting. So without further ado, plug in your glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting. For the first Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to take a Dollar Tree beach ball and a Dollar Tree baby blanket, and I'm just going to wrap the beach ball with the baby blanket, and then I'm going to use a pipe cleaner to tie the top. So I just wrapped the pipe cleaner around the top, and then I twisted it about 2 to 3 times, and then you're going to want to cut off the excess of your fleece baby blanket. I did save that excess for a future DIY. You guys know me, I love to recycle and reuse. So I'm also using up some ribbon from my ribbon stash. This is just some burlap ribbon that I looped together, and then I'm using some Dollar Tree silver ribbon. Again, I'm just taking it and looping it over on itself and using the pipe cleaner to twist them together. Then I want to take some of that buffalo check plaid ribbon that I hauled from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to make a small Olivia bow. So you just take your ribbon and you loop it over on itself. Make sure you have 2 loops on each side and then trim it off. And then I'm just going to tie it on to this entire lovely little bow here. So you guys get creative with this. Use whatever kind of fabric you have in your crafty fabric stash, and also this is a great way to repurpose and reuse ribbons. So I put a big giant bow on one side, and then I'm adding in another Olivia bow to the other side. So you just loop the ribbon over on itself a couple of times here, pinch it together in the middle with some pipe cleaners, and voila, you have another ribbon for the other side of your oversized ornament. And I'm just using the pipe cleaner to tie it on. You can also hot glue it or use floral wire as well. The next step in creating our oh so fabulous ornament is to add some sprigs of evergreen. Dollar Tree sells evergreen, or you can also use an old Christmas tree branch like I'm using. And I'm just using this to kind of fill in and around some of the dead spaces, just to give it some fullness and that extra razzle dazzle that you guys know that I love to do. I'm also taking some of those Dollar Tree silver mini ornaments, and I'm going to use these to pop in to just give them a little bit of extra sparkle and shine. You guys know me, I love my sparkle and shine, and look at how fabulous this turned out. This is such a great way to repurpose and reuse some things that you may already have. Some beach balls from the summer, some old fabric, and some ribbons that you guys may have left over in your craft stash as well. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to create another fabulous ornament. This time I'm going to use one of those Dollar Tree carvable pumpkins. So I removed the top, and then I poked a hole in the top of this pumpkin, and then I'm just going to take this scarf. This is a Dollar Tree scarf. It's a really cute little buffalo check plaid scarf, but again, you guys use whatever fabric you have in your stash. So I just went ahead and used the buffalo check plaid scarf all over the entire pumpkin, and then I'm using some of this cute little Dollar Tree ho 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 ribbon. I'm going to create a double layered Olivia bow. Just take that ribbon, loop it over on itself to where you have 2 loops on each side, and then you'll just pinch it in the center with that pipe cleaner, and that's going to create your fun and fabulous bow. Now, the secret to my bows are definitely loads of fluffing. Now I just want to take and fill in the center part of my carvable pumpkin slash a fabulous ornament with some evergreen branches. Again, Dollar Tree does have the little evergreen branches, or you can use an old Christmas tree branch, and that works just perfectly. So go ahead and add loads of little evergreen sprigs to the top, and then you can hot glue your bow to one side. Now, I love loved how this looked as it was coming along, but you guys know me, I have to go super extra, so I decided to add another bow to the other side. This is again a double layered Olivia bow, and I just went ahead and added that pipe cleaner to the center. I did notch it just a little bit. That helps you kind of fluff it. I do have a big bow tutorial if you guys want to check that out. So I'm just going to add the bow to this side using some hot glue, and then I grabbed one of those little red truck ornaments again that I hauled in my last Dollar Tree haul. If you guys need to know kind of some of the craft supplies that I'm going to be using for upcoming DIYs, definitely check that video out. It will be linked in the I Love Christmas series down below. So I also decided to go a little bit extra and use the rest of this ribbon, and I just kind of made a little loop here and hot glued it onto the base, and then I added some evergreen. I wanted to kind of extend this ornament out to kind of give it a little bit of dimension, to kind of distract maybe from the pumpkin-y shape of it, but really it was just kind of more of an oval. And then I also had some of this Dollar Tree polka dot ribbon in my stash. I went ahead and added that in as well, and I think this just came out so absolutely over the moon fabulous. Absolutely perfect if you guys are decorating in kind of that rustic-ish farmhouse look. And also, if you guys did not find the buffalo check plaid scarves at Dollar Tree, Walmart does have a lot of that buffalo check plaid fabric in their stores right now. So here it is on the tree. I had this on my flocked Christmas tree. Again, I did buy this Christmas tree at Walmart, but it looked just perfectly all nestled down in, and these larger ornaments are absolutely amazing to fill out your Christmas tree decor. So for the next Dollar Tree Christmas DIY, we're going to create a fabulous, sparkling, girly glam ornament. I'm taking one of those Dollar Tree jumbo ornaments, and then I'm going to take some of this Dollar Tree gold glitter ribbon. I'm going to create a large bow. Again, this is one of those Olivia bows, and I refer to it as Olivia bow just so you guys can kind of know, if you've been following me, how I make these bows. Super easy. You just loop it over on itself, twist tie the center, and then pull those little loops out. And then I do love to dovetail my ends by cutting the little triangle. I think that gives it a really nice boutique finish. So I went ahead and hot glued that on, and a lovely subscriber sent this beautiful pink sparkling ribbon to me. Oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. I hated almost to use it. Do you guys do that? Do you like to hoard up your prettiest ribbon? But I thought it would be perfect for this because I am going to do a pastel tree somewhere in my house. I'm not for sure, but I did go ahead and add another Olivia bow with that pink ribbon, and then I'm just adding some evergreen into the center. I was really hoping that this would go for kind of that really beautiful Victorian-esque, how they have those big fancy ornaments. And then I'm taking some of that Dollar Tree. This is the Peace and Joy ribbon, and I'm making a really small little thin Olivia bow with this, and this is great to layer into projects to give them, again, a little bit of added dimension with just that smaller pretty ribbon. So I went ahead and added it to one side, and then I decided also to make some more loops and add it to the other side just to give it that big overflowing package feel. And then I had some Dollar Tree green berries, so I added some green berries into the center as well. Again, the sky is the limit. I love to dig into my craft stash when I'm making these style of ornaments and really go to town. You guys could add really cool vintage jewels. You could add more ornaments like I am. So I'm taking some of those Dollar Tree gold mini ornaments and I'm adding those in. Those are a really fun way. I think there's 10 to 12 in a package of these, and they're really great to add to smaller arrangements or ornaments or just whatever suits your fancy, but they really give that pop of sparkle and shine, and they make a great filler. So here it is. Oh, so gorgeous and fabulous, you guys. I'm so totally crushing on this one. It's so beautiful and pink and perfect if you're decorating for that kind of girly glam with that shabby chic aesthetic. today's Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to repurpose and reuse some of the velvet pumpkins that I bought a couple too many of. So I'm taking that fleece baby blanket again. I had some more of these in my stash, and I just want to go ahead and wrap this beautiful little velvet pumpkin. Now, I'm really excited to let you guys know too, no velvet pumpkins were harmed in this DIY. And if you want to go back to the velvet pumpkins at the end of the holiday season, all you would have to do would be to just unwrap the little twist tie. The velvet or the baby blanket might not be in the best of shape if you glue on top of it, but you still have your beautiful pumpkin underneath. Just a little side note if you guys are crazy crafter recyclers like me. So I did add some of that Dollar Tree little burlap fall ribbon and then just some more sprigs of greenery. I really wanted to make a rustic looking ornament for this one. I think these pumpkins really are a really nice size, and again, I really recommend doing some of these larger ornaments if you like to decorate and have a really big full tree, because they're really going to bring the wow factor. And again, you guys can really reuse some of the crafts that are in your stash. So you can see now I'm just using another pipe cleaner on the other side. I was trying to kind of challenge myself to use the least amount of hot glue on this one. So I'm just using that pipe cleaner to wrap the little burlap onto this ornament, and then I'm going to go ahead and just trim that off. And then I did go ahead and add in some evergreen, again just wrapping it with the little pipe cleaner. And that worked pretty well. It probably would have helped too if I would have had maybe green pipe cleaners, because then I had that white kind of pipe cleaner left popping out. So you can also take a little ornament hanger and pop that into the fleece. It goes really well in there, and then you'll have a little hanger for the top of your ornament. Or if you're like me, sometimes I'll just gently set my ornaments down into the tree. So again, I'm making a little double layered Olivia bow. You just take that ribbon, loop it over on itself twice, pinch it in the center, and then wrap it with that pipe cleaner, and then you'll just fluff those little loops out, add a dab of hot glue, and you're good to go. I love this ribbon. The buffalo check plaid ribbon is from Hobby Lobby. I also know that I have been having some of you guys tell me that they have it at Walmart, so comment and let me know if you've seen it at Walmart, and if so, how much is it? So Dollar Tree also carries these really cute little pom-poms. I did pick up a package for some of my DIY projects. I was looking at using red for some red berries, but I decided to go still with more of the neutral theme, because I do know I'm going to do a buffalo check plaid neutral tree. I will do a traditional red tree as well, but I just thought for this one it'd be really cute to use the little white pom-poms, almost like it's like little snowballs in there. So that would also be cute to do a snowball tree. Comment and let me know also, how many Christmas trees do you guys decorate with in your home? The sky is the limit in my head and my heart. I just don't think I would have like enough room to decorate every single room, but I don't know, you guys, this might be the year I just really go to town and do a ton of Christmas trees. So for the next Dollar Tree Christmas DIY, I'm going to wrap another one of those velvet pumpkins. This time I'm using some of that buffalo check plaid fabric that I had left over from recovering my chair. Again, I got this fabric at Walmart. I did have some questions about the fabric. It is a little bit thin, but you could not see the color of the velvet pumpkin underneath. And again, no velvet pumpkin was harmed in the making of this little Christmas ornament. I did add some of that Dollar Tree burlap to the top, and then I'm just hot gluing some little sprigs of evergreen. This is definitely going to go on my cute little Farmhouse Glam girl tree that I'm going to be creating. I'm really excited to decorate for Christmas this year. So again, I'm just popping in some evergreen, and I'm hot gluing and then just adding the sprigs of evergreen in and around the top of this. I thought this was so cute, and I think it would be really fun to do one of these for maybe a friend for their office, or maybe a teacher for her desk. I think that would be super fun, because these little pumpkins sit flat, so they can act as an ornament, but they can also sit flat, so you could almost make them into a really cool holiday arrangement. I did add another bow to the other side of this, because you guys know me, I love big bows and I cannot lie. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY Christmas ornament, I am going to do the same thing again. Just cover this with that
fleece baby blanket, but this time I want to go for a Glam girl ornament. So I'm using some of the Dollar Tree silver ribbon. I'm making a double layered Olivia bow. Again, just 2 layers, pinch it in the center, and then add your little pipe cleaner. I want to go totally glam for this one with lots of sparkle and shine, which I do love to do some glam at Christmas time. You guys, definitely, I would love to hear what your style is for Christmas. Do you love glam? Do you love farmhouse, shabby chic? Red, traditional? There's so many styles out there. I just think it's such a fun time of year to decorate. So I did 2 double layered Olivia bows on either side of this little Glam Girl ornament, and then I'm just pulling out the loops to give it that nice kind of full pretty appearance. And then I'm adding a large dollop of hot glue, and I'm using some of the silver Dollar Tree mini ornaments, and I'm just popping them in everywhere that I feel like it needs that little extra razzle dazzle sparkle and shine, mainly too to kind of cover up the top where you can see that extra bunching of fabric, because we want it to really look like an over-the-top boutique gorgeous ornament. So I'm also adding in a little bit more evergreen in around the top. I didn't have any white evergreen on hand, but I think that would be really pretty for a glam girl look. And then I'm adding in some sparkling little jewels. I get my little jewels at Walmart. They're just fake diamond little things, so they really razzle dazzle up a project. And I think this farmhouse chic glam look is definitely what I'm going to be in the mood for the holidays. If you guys can see some of my ornaments back over there, those are those Dollar Tree ornaments. I think they look really pretty in with the look of this soft kind of farmhouse, you know, just a little bit of rustic, a little bit of sparkle and shine. I think you can totally get away with it in the holiday time frame. And then here is another peek at that pretty pink ornament that we did. Oh my goodness, I love this one too. I love these soft colors. They're so vintage, kind of Victorian feeling. And then again, here is that fun kind of rustic look with that farmhouse chic. Definitely going to be hot this year. And then I love all these traditional colors as well. How cute does this red pop against this flocked tree? Oh my goodness, I am over the moon excited for Christmas this year, you guys. I just absolutely cannot wait.
Thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous DIY adventure. I hope you guys are inspired. I love to share with you how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a teeny tiny budget. This is going to be a huge I Love Christmas series. Again, this is episode 3 in my I Love Christmas series. Now I know it is still fall, so if you guys need some fall inspiration, I have 31 episodes in my I Love Fall series. I have a huge I Love Fall series playlist. I'm going to link it down below for you guys so you guys can go check that out. I have a huge fall house tour, a ton of Dollar Tree fall DIYs, as well as decorating, cleaning, cooking, and baking. So you guys are going to get totally jamming out on fall. And we are getting started on these Christmas crafts early because I make the majority of my Christmas decor handmade. So that does take some time, and I love to inspire you guys to get a jump start as well. So thank you guys again. I love you all to the moon and back. This is going to be an amazing week of crafting and DIYs. I still do have some Halloween decor that I have to do inside of my home, as well as a Thanksgiving centerpieces. So you guys totally stay tuned. I love you so much. I am giving you guys the biggest hug. I hope your day is fabulous and blessed. And remember, crafting is good for your spirit. It's good for your soul. And it's fun to make your house look pretty. So I love you guys. Thank you so much. And we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Come out here to say